your bombs or send your troops no more. All is not fair in love or war. Now I'm not trying to false accuse, but my feeling is so deep I can't walk away. I know this is the one I don't want to lose or keep, but yet at night I'm losing sleep. Even though both of you know it's over, you still try with your deepest convictions to make it right. Love can hurt you deep, make you lose your appetite, and in the night it's hard to sleep. Now that's not right. All is not fair in love or war. So don't drop your bombs or send your troops no more. When the string of a relationship is cut, your earth starts spinning and racing towards hell. Like an evil spell, you holler and yell, yet you can't leave that misty cell. All is not fair in love or war. All is not fair. Don't send your troops no more. In love or war. In love or war. In love or war. Don't send your troops no more. All is not fair in love or war. Have you ever had that feeling that the one you loved is seeing someone else or 6 others? When this feeling hit me in my heart, I broke down and fell all apart. You see, you put me all in your heart, my soul into it, thinking everything is okay, until it hit me that dreaded day, when you notice your love slipping away. The person you think you know is playing you to get away with a secret rendezvous. All is not fair in love or war. You hear these love songs and think of your mate, then you realize that your mate is beginning to hate you and all you represent. What used to be right is now corrected. Each thing you speak out of your mouth is challenged or rejected. Remember all those things we used to do together. Now it's melting away like a stick of butter. You wanna fly away, but afraid to test your feathers. You're sizzling like bacon, 'cause you feel you've been taken. Seems like everybody's lying, everybody's faking. You feel the absence of love, because your love is physically there, but your love's mind is on the other side of town somewhere. You feel the absence of love. All is not fair in love and war. All is not fair in love and war. So don't send your troops or drop bombs no more. All is not fair in love or war.